अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आया हूँ ब्रेड शेफ बेकरी मर्दान। चलिए चलते हैं और देखते हैं यहाँ पर हमें कौन कौन सी डिज़र्ट वैरायटी मिलेगी।
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why I can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on until the break of dawn.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemies are road ahead, a full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he throws me, and he gets cause real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, handling the score, never getting bored. Lots of blood and gold, always wanting more. Feeding from the source, they don't really innocent until they feel it for their body. And if you start shit, you'll be hard lived in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. When there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Pump up the bass line.
Wait!